Before production starts, confidence begins in the lab. This customer brought a prototype assembly with stainless steel rivets, tight stack-up tolerances. The question, can we still get it to work? Over 3 days, we ran tests using a B310 power head, adjusting stroke, switching peens, and even running lock pins separately on a B240 allowed us to overcome fixture and tolerance issues. The outcome? Over 95 assemblies successfully formed. Same machine, smart adjustments, no rework needed. When the pressure's on to get it right, our solutions lab delivers. Bring us your part, we'll engineer the confidence.